You have 6 new voice messages.
No need for introductions. You know why I'm calling. We're hunting down someone that knows how to lead an operation to steal from one of the most powerful protective agencies in the country.
At this point, you've either found this phone and are walking to your death, or you've already walked into hers. I'm going to let this game stretch out before I decide to allow you to be part of it.
It ties my gut in a knot, believing it could be one of ours.
You might be pulling the triggers, but I'm the one pulling the strings, and she hasn't suspected a thing. You've done your country proud. It's time to make its enemies prouder.
You have 1 new voice message. New voice message from